it's Kate with WTI. I'm always looking for ways to incorporate more protein into my meals, and I am plant-based, so it can be a little bit of a challenge to find new sources of protein. So I really love this pasta by Ancient Harvest. It's their protein pasta. These are chickpea elbows. So a few things I love about these: if you are also looking for a gluten-free pasta option, this is gluten-free, so that's amazing. I love that they only have 3 ingredients, and a lot of times I find when you get into gluten-free pasta, things get a little complicated with the ingredients. It gets kind of overly processed. But this is just chickpea flour, brown rice flour, and then that pea protein. So 3 ingredients. It keeps things simple. So it's an amazing way to add protein, extra protein into my dish. And for such simple ingredients and for being gluten-free, this pasta is really yummy. It's so easy to cook, easy to add that protein. I appreciate having this option, and that's just my point of view.